बच्चे क्यों क्यों करते हैं, हम उनकी नहीं क्यों सुनते हैं, फिर पापा से वो डरते हैं, नहीं बात मम्मी की मानते हैं। अब बात मेरी तुम मान लो, किड्स वाई वाई को तुम जान लो। रिवॉल्यूशन अब ये लाना है, जी के सबका बढ़ाना है, हर किसी को पढ़ाना है, क्योंकि देश को आगे ले जाना है। अब तो बात मेरी तुम मान लो, किड्स वाई वाई को तुम जान लो। अब बात मेरी तुम मान लो, किड्स वाई वाई को तुम जान लो। अब बात मेरी तुम मान लो, किड्स वाई वाई को तुम जान लो। हेलो, नमस्ते, welcome to channel Kids YY. Our first topic is why it says early to bed, early to rise. जल्दी सोए जल्दी उठे, ऐसा क्यों कहा जाता है? Yeah, it's always a good thing to wake up early in the morning. One should follow always a healthy routine. So what is meant by routine? Routine is simply a discipline to our body and our mind to strengthen our immunity, to get the best out of our body, to have a stress-free life, to be inspired, motivated. So it is believed that wake up early in the morning around 4 to 5 a.m. or before 1.5 hour of sunrise is always a good sign of healthy life or healthy routine, because the period 4 to 5 a.m. is known as the Brahma Muhurta. So what is meant by Brahma Muhurta? As we all know, or it is believed that Brahma is the symbol of consciousness. ब्रह्मा has created this universe. ब्रह्मा ने सृष्टि का निर्माण किया है. So it is believed that the period is always filled by a positive energy, joy, happiness. Also, the percentage of oxygen level is very high during this period. At the same time, the pollution is very low. So it is always a good to wake up early in the morning around 5 a.m. So when we wake up, we have to do one activity on our bed. We have to get our both hands in front of our face and chant these 4 lines or shloka. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhe Saraswati, Karmule tu Govinda, Prabhate Kardarshanam. So what is meaning by these 4 lines? Karagre vasate Lakshmi means at the tip of these fingers goddess Lakshmi lives here. यहाँ लक्ष्मी जी का वास है. कर मध्य सरस्वती, at the middle of our hand lives Saraswati, goddess Saraswati lives here. And Karamule tu Govinda, at the root of our hand or at the wrist भगवान श्री कृष्णा lives here, जहाँ श्री कृष्णा जी वास करते हैं. So when we get our feet on the floor, we have to do namaskar to our floor. So this is just a thanks to the land on which we live. So we have to get fresh. We have to remove the waste from our body. We have to splash some cold water on our face to get freshness. So before starting the day, we have to do early morning like meditation, vyayam or exercise, or having yoga. So meditation is always good for improving our mental performance, having a stress-free life, to get inspired, motivated. By doing exercise, we can achieve good health or fitness. And at the same time, yoga is also essential for the stiffness and stress-free, or it is also one of the physical activities. Or in the yoga, we can do pranayam, which is good for our respiration system. So these are the following, this routine we have to follow during early morning. Then we have to do a breakfast in plenty amount. Then we have to do lunch, and we have to do dinner before 7 p.m. So why it's 7 p.m.? Because it is proven that we have to do our dinner before getting to our bed. Before, so must be a gap of 3 hours between our dinner and going to bed. So when we have to go to the bed at 10 p.m., we must have to finish our dinner before 7 p.m. So these are the good habits and good routine we have to follow in our life to get healthy and successful life. Most of the successful peoples on this earth following this routine, and really they doing well in their business. So if you want to become a successful person, it's always good to follow these healthy habits. So that's it from my side. Let's say it's time to think about kids. Bye bye. That's it.